Yo Gigi, check this out. Someone just asked me to explain the difference between complete pricing, expanded pricing, affiliate pricing, and exclusive discounts. Deja vu, right? Pretty sure you hit me with that same brain melter a couple nights ago. Might want to eavesdrop as you're running your session.
Bro, this ain't deja vu. I've already sped past that level. Go ahead, drop your monologue, but don't drag it out. I don't have infinite playtime. Make it the DLC summary, not the 200-hour grind.
Alright, let me break expanded pricing down. Every price card has two sides except expanded. Front side shows the basics, your key pricing info and whatnot. Flip it and you get all the detailed stuff. Product pick, model numbers, SKU, performance specs, price per gig, comments, the whole 9 yards. But expanded? That one's different. It puts most of that right on the front, since there's no back. Here's the thing everyone sleeps on. Search only looks at what's on the front. Complete pricing, affiliate pricing, the lot. That's what makes expanded OP. Gives you way more search, filter, and sort options. So like, if you're hunting for something under $500, just set your filter, sort low to high, and you're golden. Super clean, right? Yo Gigi, you awake over there?
Hey, Jigsaw. Shut the hell up!